1980 to 1987, I was a federal prosecutor. I was a member of the Presidential Drug Task Force located in Miami, and I prosecuted what was at the time the largest drug cases in the country. I did that from 1980 to 1987. From 1987 to present, I've been defending all types of cases, including numerous drug cases. I've had over 30 years experience prosecuting and defending every drug case imaginable, whether it's a conspiracy, possession, distribution, a drug sting, a reverse sting, wiretaps, snitches, every type of case imaginable I have both prosecuted and defended. If you are charged with a drug crime, they are treated extremely seriously in both the state and the federal system, with extremely draconian penalties, particularly in the federal system. You need an attorney very skilled in handling these types of cases. I'm very familiar with obtaining all of the government discovery, reviewing that, filing all the appropriate motions, including motions to suppress the drugs, motion to suppress identification, motion to suppress wiretaps, tapes, and all the other evidence the government has assembled in the case. Oftentimes, in both the federal and state system, drug cases are made by snitches. That is, somebody who has been arrested themselves or has been paid money, and in order to get out of their predicament or earn money, they try to involve somebody else in the drug trafficking trade, or lie that somebody else is involved in the drug trafficking trade, often to save their own skin, particularly against possible heavy mandatory minimum sentences. It's extremely important in drug defenses to be prepared to subpoena all of the records about the snitch, all of the payments made, and everything that can attack their credibility, because oftentimes the strength of the drug case will rest on the strength of the government's snitch. In handling drug cases, it's very important to try to suppress key elements of the prosecution's case. For example, if there was some type of improper search and the drugs themselves can be suppressed, the entire case fails. Oftentimes you can also suppress the identification of somebody because it's been suggestive, some kind of improper lineup. And many drug cases these days are based on wiretap evidence, and the government has to go through many hoops in order to get a wiretap warrant, and oftentimes that can be suppressed, and the tapes that build the government's case can be suppressed and their case fails. There are two pieces of advice I have if you are contacted by any type of federal or state agent. First and foremost, do not say anything. Tell them that you have an attorney and that you will not speak to them without the presence of your attorney. Second, you need to hire an attorney that is extremely skilled and experienced in handling these types of defenses.